Hello, my dear students. Good morning. How are you all? Yeah, hope all are fine. In yesterday, we had online class in group 1 and 2. So, in 3, I could not able to do that. So, today I will take the class. I will share in the group the timings and detail. Okay? In afternoon, not in the morning. Okay. So yesterday what we discussed about writing zone and fun zone and some exercises of worksheet also. Yes. Okay. Now I will share fun zone. I will say the answers of fun zone. You have to tally with your answers. Okay. So look at the map of India and find out. Before that, group discussion is there. How can students help in making India better? I think in second group we discussed this. In first group I will going to ask about this in online class. Okay. Here we could not able to do discussion. No. So in online class I will make you to discuss about this and look at the map of India and find out five Indian states which neither touch any country or sea. It will not touch any country's border and it will not share the coastline. Coastal line. Okay, what are they? Five states. Yes, I will say that. You also think and say that is Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Jharkhand. They will not share any border with any country and with coastal line also. And second one, name two countries which were part of India before 1947, before independence. Pakistan and yes, Bangladesh. You know this, no? Okay. And third one, see, West Bengal is not in the west of India. Why is it called West Bengal? Because West Bengal and East Bengal during the British time the British divided Bengal as two, West Bengal and East Bengal, because of administrative purpose. After the independence, East Bengal became Bengal, Bangladesh, no, and while West Bengal remained as West Bengal, it belongs to India. So even though it is in the east side, we call it West Bengal. Understood? Okay. D. Name any four cities of India situated on the banks of the river Ganga. What are they? The rivers of Ganga. The bank of river. Bank of river means in the bank. Bank means in near the sea, near the river that are Kanpur, Varanasi, Allahabad and Patna. Okay, you can see in the map Kanpur, Varanasi, Allahabad and Patna. Okay, I will show this in the map also. You can understand it by the map. Okay, it will be very easy to find out. And next one, E. Name the states belonging with letter A. beginning with letter A. What the state? What are the states? The name starts with A. That is, no? Andhra Pradesh, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, the F1. Which four cities of India are to the north of the Tropic of Cancer? North side, north, south, north side. Jaipur, Delhi, Patna, Lucknow are the states that is north of Tropic of Cancer. Okay, the next one. Mark the following states on the map of India. Jammu Kashmir. Where it is? Jammu Kashmir. And Andaman Nicobar Islands. Tamil Nadu. Delhi. Arunachal Pradesh. Chhattisgarh. Jharkhand. Uttarakhand. These all the things you have to mark in the map. It will be your activity that you have to do by yourself. Okay, in the map you have to mention these all the following states. Understood? You can do it, right? If you have find any difficulties in that, please feel free to ask. In online class I will share the map. Okay, this one. Number 2, mark the following states on the map of India. This one. Okay. Next one, see, explore your world. In this, find out the names of states which fall in the Himalayan region. Himalayan region. What are the states you can see in Himalayan region? Yes. It are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Yes. Okay. So next one. Great Northern Plains. Great Northern Plains are in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. And Deccan Plateau region, that are interior parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Maharashtra and Karnataka. And coastal plain areas. Coastal plain areas are includes Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. These all the states will come under coastal plain areas. Okay. So D1. You know this, no? Name the capital of the states mentioned below. Not only 5, all the states and that capital of the states you have to study. Okay. Here they have given Uttar Pradesh, that is the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Jaipur. Okay. And Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, Rajasthan is Jaipur. Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, Rajasthan is Jaipur, and Nagaland, Kohima, Imphal, Manipur, Goa, Panaji. Okay. Without looking at the book, you have to study this. You have to study all the states and its capital. Okay. So this is the brain quiz. Okay. You have to study this too. It will be very easy and very helpful for the examination. Okay. So this one I will show in the map all the answers. Okay. Brain quiz is there, no? In that we will see by map. So first question is what? 5 Indian states which neither touch any country or sea. Yeah, this one we will see the states. What are the states? Which states are there? Nor touch the sea and with any country's border. Haryana. Yes, Haryana. Where it is? It will touch any sea? No. It will touch any border of other country? No. Yeah, and Madhya Pradesh also in middle, in the center, no? And Chhattisgarh also, it will not share any border of country and any coastline, yes. And Telangana also, here you can see Telangana, right? It is also will not share any border or boundary with other country. And sea coast, yes. And one more is there. 5 they have asked, no? One is Haryana. Yes, Haryana. Second one is Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Jharkhand. Where it is? Jharkhand. Yes, here, Jharkhand. You can see, right? Yeah, this is the places. Okay, the next one. Where it is? Pakistan and Bangladesh. Bangladesh is here in white color, you can see. Yes. Yes. This is Bangladesh. Okay. Then Pakistan. Before it was part of India only. Before 1947. Yes. After independence, they became independent. Yeah, they became independent nation. Country. Okay. So next one. What is the question? Next question. Yeah. Next question is West Bengal is not in the west of India. Why it? Yeah. This one we discussed. Name any 4 cities of India situated on the bank of river Ganga. Here you can see Patna. Yes. Kanpur. In this, they have not mentioned Kanpur, I think. Yes. Then Varanasi, Allahabad. Yes. These all the places. Yeah. Okay. Here it will come. All the Patna you can see, no, here. Yeah. Bank of river, Ganga. Okay. Next one. Next question is that name the states belonging with letter A. Andhra Pradesh. Where it is? Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see Andhra Pradesh. And Arunachal Pradesh. Where it is? Arunachal Pradesh. Assam. Here you can see Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. They will start with A, letter A. Okay. And next question is name the 4 cities of India to north of the Tropic of Cancer. The north side of Tropic of Cancer. They are Lucknow, Jaipur. You can write any other also. Delhi also is there, and Jaipur, Patna. These all the places you can see. The Chhattisgarh also, Srinagar, Ladakh. These all the places you can say north side of Tropic of Cancer. Okay. So next one, 2 you have to mark it Jammu and Kashmir. Where it is? Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, here. here in the Jammu. You have to do Jammu and Kashmir both. Yes, and here Ladakh is there, okay? And Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. You can see here in the corner of Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And then you have to mark it, okay? You have to mark it in the map. Understood? I will show in this map. You have to mark in the plain map. That also I will show it to you. Okay? The next one, Tamil Nadu. Where it is? Tamil Nadu. Yes, Tamil Nadu is here. In the southernmost part, Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Okay. And Delhi. Where it is? Delhi. Here you can see Delhi, right? Near Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Okay. You can see Delhi, no? You can mark it in the map, right? And Arunachal Pradesh. Where it is? Arunachal Pradesh. The east side, Arunachal Pradesh. And Chhattisgarh. Where it is? Chhattisgarh. Here in this side, Chhattisgarh, you can see, no? Yes. Okay. And Jharkhand. Where it is? Jharkhand. And yes, here near Bihar and Odisha, West Bengal, you can see Jharkhand here. Okay. And Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is here near Arunachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand. Okay. You can mark it, right? I have shown in the map. You have to mark it. And explore the world. Himalayan region. Himalayan region. Where Himalayan region will come? Yes. Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. These all the places. Yes, these all the places. You can say the Himalayan region. These all the places like this. Yes, yes. Here, here. These all the places you can see Himalayan region. Okay. And Great Northern Plains. Great Northern Plains will come. I will show this map. You can easily understand the physical map of India. Okay. Yes, Himalayan region. Yes, Himalaya. The Himalayan region. You can see both map, right? This one and this one. Then you can easily understand. Yeah, Himalayan region they have mentioned here. What all the states will come under Himalayan region, that you can relate. Okay. Then Great Northern Plains. Northern Plains they have mentioned here. Great Northern Plains. The green color, right? These all the places, like see here in the next map. So Punjab will come and Haryana will come under under Great Northern Plain, and Uttar Pradesh also. Uttar Pradesh is here, no? And Bihar and West Bengal. These all the places you can say they are the part of Northern Plains. Okay, Deccan Plateau region. Deccan Plateau region, where it will come? Here in the middle of India. You can see in this Deccan Plateau in the red color, no? This Deccan Plateau here. Yeah, in the almost south side it will be. So you can say what are the states? Interior part, not outer part, interior, inside the states. They are interior part of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, etc. They will include. These all the states include Deccan Plateau region. And coastal plain areas. Where it is? Coastal areas. Coastal areas in the green color they have mentioned, no? Near Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Coastal areas. Yes. The near the coastline, coastal plains are there. They are Gujarat. See here in the green color you can see, no, the green color, all the green color shaded are the area of coastal plain and northern plains are in the green color. Okay, so coastal areas are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. They all will come under coastal plain areas. Near the sea, there will be the coastal line, coastal plains are there. Okay, you understood this, no? Yes, you have to mention these all the things where the coastal plains will come, Deccan Plateau region will come, Great Northern Plain will come, Himalayan region will come, that also. Okay. Oh, okay. So next one, the deep one, do it yourself. That you know the capital of the states. 5 states they have given. You can say the capital of that state. Okay. So I told you that I will show following states. Mark the following states on the map of India. It has shown here. First one, Jammu and Kashmir. A. Yes, you have to mention as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. The next one, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here you can see B. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They will be in Bay of Bengal. Okay. Next one, C. Tamil Nadu. Here you can see south side, southernmost part. Yes. Here you can see Tamil Nadu. Yes, C. And then next one, Delhi. Here you can see the black dot is there, no? D. It is Delhi. Okay. Next one, Arunachal Pradesh. Where it is? Arunachal Pradesh. E. Here. The east side. Yes, here you can see Arunachal Pradesh. And then which one? Chhattisgarh. F. Chhattisgarh is here. Yes, F. What you have to do? You have to take a map like this, a blank map, and then Indian political map. Indian political map you have to take and you have to mention these places. And Chhattisgarh is F. And Jharkhand. Jharkhand is here. Yes. You can see, no? G. Jharkhand. And Uttarakhand. Where it is? Uttarakhand. Yes, here Uttarakhand. Okay. You will mark, no? I hope you will do at home this one. I have shown this picture, right? You can do this by yourself. Okay? Yes. With this, we conclude this chapter, and from tomorrow onwards, we will discuss about the chapter number 2. Okay? So, please read the chapter number 1 thoroughly, and you have to able to answer all the questions also, and you have to do exercise of writing zone, quiz zone, fun zone. These all the activities, and writing part you have to do it. Do it. Okay. I will share PDF. You will do at home, right? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.